So what I have here is the APCSA chat room, and you can just use it through your Google Hangouts, and sorry, you can use it through your Google what's it called? Google account, and then I can add people. So if I want to add someone, say Chris with a K, there you are, and Mo. Then once I send it, then they can come onto this chat screen or this chat room, and then say I want to create a new chat, and say like you can have. Oh, you can't really see that well, but I can write a chat that says like, say here to mark your present, and then if I send it, oops, and I can edit it and stuff. Slightly smiling. Then you can follow this thread. Or, of course, if you have questions, you can always add a question and I can come back to it and do that. But regardless, this is probably going to be the best way because it's more of a chat room than others. Like, I would do Snapchat or like Instagram Absect. I don't know if it can host all 84 people at once. So we're going to stick with Google since you can do it with a large amount of people. And so I'm going to have to manually add people. I don't know, Chris with a K or Mo, can you add people when you get on here? Have you tried? Can you try? Okay. So if you go on your email, you should be able to get an email notification that says, oh, did you get an email?
I need a G Suite account.
Yeah, so log into your. We have G Suite accounts because we're OUSD, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it was on my main
okay.
Gmail for some reason. I see it now. Okay, yeah. I can add people.
Excellent. So if you want to add a couple of your friends, that would be great, but I'm going to spend the rest of today manually adding a lot of people. Yeah.
Okay.
And then, of course, there's the YouTube videos. So on Jojo's channel, I sent you a link on Google Classroom, and I'll send a link in our chat room. There's this thing about recursion. Now, it really shouldn't take that long. If you have questions, you can always comment on our chat room. You can always comment, or you can always comment on the Google Classroom, and you can comment. You can like send me a text or something. Okay. So, do you have any questions? I'll stop presenting.
I don't. Okay. I understand.
Okay, good. And Mo, what questions do you have, if any?
I don't have a question.
Excellent. Okay, well, that's pretty much all I needed to say.